Hello, today I'm going to speak about World Body Painting Festival 22, and it is a second day, and this day was very busy for me because I took part in two categories. First was face painting and other was makeup battle. Before we start, please like, subscribe and click the bell button to know when I post. I make a variety of time lapses, makeup tutorials and product reviews. So if that's what you enjoy, this is the channel for you. The painting itself started at 12 noon, so I had time to have a good sleep, to go into the town and then straight to painting. Normally before competition you're so busy you are not thinking about recording at all. So after I've painted, after I had my 2.5 hours of painting, we went to judges. Just now we're waiting for judges and now it's starting time when we actually can have a look around to see what other people painted. And this is probably one of my favorite parts because I can go and see what other artists created. This is amazing to see how one theme can be interpreted so differently. I just can never have enough of it. This is our visit to judges. We had 2.5 hours for painting and then straight away we need to go to see judges to take pictures, and then we are waiting for afternoon for the results. There is plenty of time now, so we went around and took a lot of pictures, took a lot of videos. Kate is an amazing model. We've been together for a couple of festivals already. For example, we've been to Paris World Body Painting Awards and we took 4th place last time, and she took me around the Paris and we had a really good time together. We're actually good friends now. Usually Austria is very hot and this time was no exclusion. It was really hot and it's really hard for models because they cannot really go under the water, under the shower. They need to keep themselves cold so paint doesn't flow. Next in the queue was makeup battle, and I thought that it will take just a half an hour and that will be something quick. So I added it as one of my categories, but that wasn't actually a good idea because I had to leave my model, Kate. I was told that I need another model because previous year it was supplied. And I was like, okay, I don't have a model. The competition starts in about 10 minutes. So I'm going out of the gate where all the artists are standing ready to go on the stage, and I see a group of people, of young people, with some girls. So I'm going to these girls and asking, look, I'm looking for a model to go on the stage just now. Are you interested? And the girls are looking on themselves like, going on the stage, there were just visitors for the festival grounds, and one of the girls was, so okay, come on, let's go. So she said yes, she agreed, and she was my model, and I think she really enjoyed it, and I was very happy. She was a really nice girl, so that worked.
And put it together with the other models. And John Head.
Te la faccio Yuri, dopo mi paghi.
If you are on Instagram, pop into one of my accounts and say hello. I do arts and crafts, face painting, creative makeup, and healthy food and travel. I hope to see you there.